Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Wine Green. So today we have a makeup tutorial to do. We're doing BH Cosmetics. We are doing the Sweet Shop. I am doing the Cotton Candy palette. This palette is so freaking cute. This is how it looks. It has some pretty colors in here. I also did a review on the Cherries on Top palette, so if you want to check that out, it will either be linked up there or it'll be linked in the description box. They came out with a total, I believe, 6 of these. So far I only tried 2. I do plan on trying some more, but yeah, the pigmentation on the Cherries on Top was great, so I'm hoping the same for this palette. So if you're new to my channel, check me out. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. So yeah, if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. Alright, so I have my eyes base with the P. Louise base in Rumor 0.5. Next, I'm going in with the shade called Sugar Plum, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to basically put it right here in this eye area. Alright, so next for this eye, I want to go in with this shade. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH37. I did not even know I had a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, but this is the blending brush that I use. I already blended out this part because I thought I was filming, but I just lightly blend it out like I always do in these videos, but I keep this on deck so that I can switch and do this other eye, which I already lightly blended out. So next with this eye, I do want to go in with light and airy. Poppin'. Okay, girl. Okay. Hopping. Okay, I think that's very much blended. Now I'm about to do the next eye. But I'm about to clean off my brush real quick. These come in so much handy. I think this is like a manual brush cleaner. Mine's is old as heck. So I need to get a new one, but I'm cheap. I'm just gonna wash it and keep it pushing, okay? So with this eye, I want to go in with this shade right here. This is called Confection. Didn't know that was a word. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Next, honey, I need to cut this crease. This looks really popping and cute. This looks really cute, y'all. Next, I'm gonna use, I don't even know what type of brush this is, but I always use this brush to cut my crease and to conceal my eyebrows. I believe this is either e.l.f. or Wet n Wow, but I get this at my Walgreens for literally only $1, and it comes in handy, y'all. But I am gonna cut my crease with the P. Louise base. That's my holy grail. No, nothing else is getting used on this face to cut this crease but this. All right, next I'm going in with my Airspun powder in translucent original shade. I'm going to set my concealer. Okay, so to make time go by faster, we are going to do a speed through. So for this eye, I am going to do this shade and this shade. And then for this eye, I am going to do this shade and this shade. You should see the color differential when I apply it on my eyes. So yeah.
Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say?
Hey y'all, so this is my outro. My ending got deleted on accident, but yeah, this palette was everything, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.